How to introduce yourself. Introducing yourself is one of the most fundamental communication skills, and it plays a vital role in personal, academic, and professional settings. A self-introduction is the process of presenting yourself to others with clarity, purpose, and confidence. It involves sharing relevant personal and professional details, such as your name, background, career or academic pursuits, interests, and goals. While it may seem simple on the surface, a self-introduction is a powerful tool that can influence how others perceive you, especially during first meetings or formal encounters. Whether you are attending a job interview, entering a classroom, networking at a conference, or simply meeting someone new, knowing how to introduce yourself effectively can leave a lasting impression and open doors to new opportunities. At its core, a self-introduction is a personal narrative, an account of who you are and what defines you. It is your opportunity to shape how others see you right from the beginning. It creates the initial connection, sets the tone for future interactions, and often determines the direction of a conversation. The way you introduce yourself reflects your personality, communication style, self-awareness, and confidence. When done correctly, it not only conveys your identity, but also demonstrates professionalism and authenticity. On the other hand, a poorly structured introduction may lead to misunderstandings or missed opportunities, especially in formal or high-stakes environments. Understanding the components of a strong self-introduction is crucial. A well-organized self-introduction generally follows a logical structure, a greeting, followed by your name, a brief background, including origin, education, or experience, current status or role, skills or strengths, goals or motivations, and finally, a closing remark or invitation for interaction. Each part should be delivered clearly and concisely, while also expressing your individuality. The key is to remain natural and sincere, while still projecting professionalism and preparedness. Begin with a polite and appropriate greeting tailored to the setting, such as good morning, hello, or hi everyone. This opens the interaction in a friendly and respectful manner. After greeting, state your full name confidently. Then, proceed to share a brief background. This may include where you are from, your educational history, or relevant past experiences that shaped who you are today. If you're in a professional or academic environment, it's important to mention your current role, field of study, or project. Talk about your strengths, key skills, and personal interests to make your introduction more dynamic and relatable. Highlight achievements or experiences that align with the purpose of the interaction. Lastly, express your reason for being there, whether it's to contribute, learn, collaborate, or grow, and end with a courteous closing that invites further engagement. When delivering your self-introduction, always be mindful of the audience and the context. In a professional setting, a formal tone with precise language is preferred, whereas in casual settings, you can be more relaxed and conversational. Body language also plays a significant role. Maintain good posture, smile when appropriate, and use eye contact to show confidence and attentiveness. Practicing your introduction ahead of time will help reduce nervousness and ensure you stay focused and articulate. Now, to illustrate everything discussed above, here is a large, detailed, and smart example of a self-introduction presented in paragraph form. Good morning, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here today. My name is Jonathan Reyes, and I am a dedicated and passionate business analyst with over 6 years of experience in leveraging data and technology to drive strategic decisions across multiple industries. I originally come from Manila, Philippines, where I completed my undergraduate degree in Management Information Systems. My journey in the world of business analytics began with a deep curiosity for how data could solve complex business problems and enhance performance. Eager to expand my expertise, I moved to Singapore to pursue a master's degree in business analytics at the National University of Singapore, which provided me with an excellent blend of technical and managerial knowledge. During my academic journey, I cultivated skills in predictive modeling, data visualization, and automation, and I worked on multiple real-life projects that integrated artificial intelligence into operational strategies. I also use variations like enjoy your evening or take care today, but have a great day is my go-to. It spreads good energy, and I've found that even small kindnesses like this can make someone's day better. Conclusion. And that brings us to the end of another meaningful set of phrases. These 10 expressions, like excuse me, I understand, and have a great day, may seem simple, but they have the power to improve your conversations, your relationships, and even the way people feel around you. Language isn't just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about the tone, the intention, and the small things we say every day that make a big impact. By using these phrases, you'll sound more natural, more confident, and more caring in any situation. Thanks for watching or reading until the end. Let me know in the comments, which of these phrases do you use the most? And which ones do you want to start using more?